Pinoy Big Brother Teen Edition Plus Big 4. Wala lamang po si Beauty dahil may commitment pero siya po'y dumating dito sa atin sa Boyan Chris. Ang tanong, basahin mo na.
For Robbie.
Oh, okay.
Dream date mo.
May maganda po sa rooftop.
Ng
Rooftop ng bahay, oh.
ng bahay.
Okay, I'll
Sino?
lend you a rooftop. Because we have a nice view. Oh, and then...
You have a nice rooftop.
Yeah, we do.
Nice.
We have a nice roof deck na may view. Next.
Right.
Starry night. So,
Okay.
Very nice.
Sinong kasama? Dream lang naman eh.
Robbie,
si Kim po. Si Kim.
Kim Chu. Si Kim. Okay, next.
Oh, go.
Pero Kim, ha?
Iba ka, ibang level.
Iba. I-share mo naman sa amin ang iyong dating.
Correct. Oh,
Okay.
go.
Or EJ. Papayagan mo ba girlfriend mo magparitoke ng katawan?
Payag po ako kasi kung saan siya
Masaya.
In other words, parang what he's trying to say is he's cool.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good for you.
Right. Okay.
For EJ, sino ang first kiss mo?
Aba, matapang.
How old were you? First kiss.
Wala pa po.
Ha?
Wala po.
Kiss?
Yung dalawang girlfriends mo, walang kiss
Hindi
yun?
nag-kiss ever?
Wala po. Wala po talaga.
Ay?
Ano ba? 12 years old lang, may nakiss na ako eh. States yun eh!
Dali. Kakaiba ka rin?
States!
Alam mo?
It's not a big deal.
Okay.
Oh.
Kakaiba. Si Kim at saka si Chris, parehong level ngayon. Okay.
Yung isa dun sa
Wala.
number one, hindi mo
Wala po
kinis?
talaga. Wala po.
Paano kayo
Hello?
mag-girlfriend? Holding hands.
Opo, yun lang.
Kiss? Wala?
Wala po.
In Mindoro?
Torpe talaga ako.
Boy, siguro sa Mindoro, 1 year yon?
Opo, wala
At saka yung isa, another year.
Correct. Ano ba to?
Okay, sige.
Wait lang, I have to ask, Robbie, bilang Atenean, I'm sure naman may nakiss ka na. Kahit di ka ba nagkaka-girlfriend, I'm sure you've kissed girls. You're right. Nicole, at least, ito magpapakaalis. I'm sure may nakiss ka na.
Bata pa ako.
O see? O, at least buti pa siya.
Bata ka pa, as in how old were you?
Mga 9?
Mga 6.
10. O see?
6?
10 daw.
Sabi niya 6.
6?
Family friend po. Tapos,
Family, anong class?
Kinabog yung 12 years old mo. Ito, 6.
This is getting wild. 6? As in, romantic kiss?
Hindi po.
Hindi naman romantic, smack lang.
Oh,
Kahit na! Okay, talo ka doon, 12 ka. Okay, next question, go.
Para sa akin po, type mo ba ang liberated or EJ?
Liberated. Type mo ba ang girl na
Or mas
liberated?
gusto mo conservative?
Simple na liberated. So, type mo.
Love it! Okay.
Kakaiba sila talaga.
Kakaiba na talaga.
You,
So, conservative po.
ang type mo. And then?
Anong ibig sabihin ng conservative? Na ngayon, in your generation?
Ladylike talaga.
Ladylike. Ah, okay.
Ewan ko na to.
No, but they're really very different. I mean, young kids today are not afraid to be unique.
Correct.
Okay.
Or EJ. Anong suot mo kapag matutulog ka na?
Cycling.
Cycling?
Oh, uncomfortable naman.
Yeah.
Nakatulog.
Or boxer.
Bisikleta ka.
Hindi.
Cycling talaga?
Cycling po.
Cycling siya?
Or boxer. Ganun po.
Boxers. Okay. Ikaw, anong suot mo pag natutulog, Robbie?
Boxers po.
Boxers din.
You.
Ikaw, Nico.
big shirt and short shorts.
Short shorts.
Me too.
Okay.
Bakit ba?
Me too. Okay, Nicole, ikaw.
Oo.
Reaction mo pag nababasted ka.
The 2 times that you were
How did you react?
politely turned down,
Siyempre po, masakit.
you cried.
Not really cry. Just depressed that time.
Nice. We learned so much from them.
We did.
Thank you so much, It was
Okay.
enlightening.
Enlightening.
Yeah,
Simple,
diba?
liberated. Ang dami.
Simply liberated.
First
yeah.
kiss at 6.
Ladylike.
Ladylike.
6 years old.
Aba,
Okay.
okay.
Magbabalik po ang
Boy!
Ed Chris.